In this video, I'm going to show you how to share phone screen Android to Android. Open the Play Store in your first Android device, and also in the second one, install TeamViewer Remote Control in your first device, and in the second one, TeamViewer Quick Support. Both application is installed in my device. Now simply open it, tap on Agree and Continue, tap on Get Started. Here also tap on Agree and Continue, tap on Continue. It is activating remote control feature. Tap on Agree, tap on Allow here, again tap on Allow here. Now enter this ID here, tap on Remote Control. It is saying account required for security measure, so simply tap on Sign In or Create Account. I have already account, so I will simply tap on Sign In. I will simply log in by using email and password. I have entered my details, simply tap on Sign In. My account is signed in. Now go in Connect. Again, enter the same ID. Tap on Remote Control. Tap on Verify User. Check the box. Tap on Allow Access. Tap on Start Now. As you can see, my phone screen is sharing. So this is how you can share your phone screen Android to Android. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.